with Dave, the Italian chef. Today I'm going to teach you something new. I'm going to teach you the right way to peel and cut the garlic. But this is the way my grandmother taught me 45 years ago. 45 years ago she taught me to do the right way. Last year she died. She finally died 109 years old. God bless her soul. Woman was a saint. Never stepped foot in America, thank God. So we're going to teach you the right way to do the peeling of the garlic. The first way is the peeling. You come to America, everybody does the same silly thing. They put the garlic inside the two bowls, they slap them together, they shake the hell out of the garlic. Drives the garlic crazy. You don't want to do that. What are you going to do? It's nothing. The two bowls are useless. Put the bowls away. And we're going to take a break. Little white to white. So, as I said, the right way to do the garlic is you're going to take the garlic. I have some garlic ready here. As you can see, delicious, beautiful garlic. What you're going to do, you don't need a big thing on the end of the garlic. You're going to take the garlic, put them in your hand, and you're going to shake them like a son of a bitch. Oh, yeah. And then you put them down, and you have a little bit of junk on it, but in the end, you end up with, it's all right. You end up with the garlic outside of the shell. Right? This one's got a little bit left. You can shake it, and there it goes. It comes off. That's the only way to do garlic the right way. Then you're going to take them. You're going to put them on the table. The other one there. You're going to smash them. You get in the picture there? Where's the picture? You're going to smash them with the right way with a knife, and then you're going to just chop them up. And there you go. Into the pot, best spaghetti sauce in the world, just like Grandma used to make in the old country. God bless her soul. Thank you. Join me next week for another Cooking with Dave. We're going to cook some pasta fazool.